Good morning everyone, welcome back once again to From the Ash. It's really good to have you here. Today the place isn't so tidy, so I figured I would, good opportunity to do a speed cleaning video when your place isn't that tidy. Well, I say it's not that tidy. If you came over now, you'd probably go, what you want about Ash? It looks absolutely fine. I have a high standard when it comes to how tidy this place should be. For example, that cushion behind me, I'm just looking at that now, and that needs to be a little bit neater. Let's sort that out now, actually. Maybe a chop like that. That's the plan today. I'm going to make sure the place is tidy, show you how to do it. Of course, I need to finish my morning coffee. So in a bit, we'll do a speed clean. You can leave me to it now. I let the air in while I clean, particularly while I hoover, just because there's a lot of dust around. And it's nice as well, like we very rarely, particularly while it's cold and rainy at this time of year, we very rarely get to open stuff like windows, doors, etc. because we just like to keep it warm. But while I'm cleaning and while we're not kind of chilling and I'm moving around a lot, I don't mind letting the cold air in because it also lets the fresh air in. So, little tip for you. Always open your windows and doors while you clean. It's a simple one, but it's effective. What I'm doing right now is I always have a podcast on while I clean. Show you. I'm listening to this one, if you can see that. That Peter Crouch podcast is Peter Crouch, the footballer, with Tom Fordyce and Chris Stark, who's from Radio 1. And they just kind of talk about his career. Each week they have a different subject that they sort of talk about, so whether it's goalkeepers or overhead kicks, trophies, whatever, they have like a subject they discuss. And yeah, I love it. I've already listened to the whole thing because it's like 4 series worth. But the season 1 was so long ago that I've forgotten most of it. So I'm going back through and listening to it again. So that's kind of what I've got on in my ears. No AirPods for me. Not rich enough for AirPods. So I've just got these standard iPhone headphones, which do the job just fine. But what I need to do now is I need to go through this, which is the blanket basket, because as you can see I can't fit everything in there at the moment. These 2 are the blankets that we use most often though, so these need to go in, which probably means that some of these need to go. And we never really use all of them. We have like a favourite blanket each, and then these are like token ones that we sort of still have. This basket was a wedding gift from my mum and dad. One of them anyway, one of the gifts they gave us, because I wanted something for the blankets, so they got us this, which is ideal. But I need to declutter or Marie Kondo my blankets. These 2 are definite keepers. I'm not going to get rid of any of them. Like some of them I can put in the garage and they can go in the car, or I can just keep them for when we have a bigger place and they can go in spare rooms and whatnot. So I won't get rid of them, but I just need to, if you can see, that's got like bits of grass on it. That's obviously one that's come to the park with us at one point or out for one of our walks. It's more like a throw. It's quite textured. I think we got this one from Home Sense, I think. So I'm definitely going to keep that one. And that goes with the colour scheme as well. And then we've got this grey one here, which is also, it's very soft. So I think we'll keep this one. And we'll keep these 3 here. Joe's going to be buzzing. She's been asking me to do this for days. This is the biggest one, this one. Look, I could do this thing. I've gone. There you go, they all fit. That one is going to spares. That one will be our car blanket. Job done. There we go. That is the cleaning done. I'd say the house is in pretty good nick now compared to when I started. It's always nice, isn't it? It's a nice feeling when you've finished your cleaning for the day and the house just smells fresh, and you know, you sit down and you touch the surfaces and it just feels fresh. I don't know, I love it. Maybe that's just me. But anyway, I thought I would show you the products that I use. I never thought that I would be somebody who did a video analysing cleaning products. But that is what lockdown does to people, and that's what being married does as well. You have to learn about these things, you know, when you move out from home. Those of you that are watching this video and you're still living with your parents and everything's kind of done, your day will come. One day you will be here in this chair doing a cleaning product review. It's gonna happen. I never dreamt that I would do it, but here I am. I thought I would show you the stuff that I use to clean the flat. Now, I try not to use too many products. Joe and me have got a thing about kind of chemicals. We don't like there being too many chemicals in the air and whatnot, so we try to keep it fairly simple, the stuff that we do use. We use a lot of this brand as well, E-Cover. I think it's E-Cover or Eco-Ver, one of the two, I don't know. But we use their stuff because it's good for sensitive skin, which Joe does have, so we need to use the right products for her to make sure that she doesn't have any flare-ups on her hands. This is the washing up liquid that we use of theirs. Very, very good, very sensitive, and smells really nice. This one is chamomile and clementine flavour with plant-based biodegradable ingredients. So that's about as eco-friendly as you can get for a washing up liquid. So we like that one, always use that one, always have. So that's the washing up liquid that we use. And of theirs, we also use the Ecover. This is the non-bio laundry. It does about 42 washes according to the bottle. That's if you use a full cap each time, which I don't. I usually use about half or 3/4 of a cap. As you can see, the cap is just there. And I use about half or 3/4, so you normally get more washes out of it than that. But you can get this again from Tesco. I think this one is about £9, so it's not cheap. Particularly, I think you pay obviously more because it's an eco one. So that's about £9. Sometimes they have it on offer for about £6, but on the whole, £9 for that one from Tesco, Sainsbury's, anywhere. The washing up liquid is about £2.50, I think. We also have the fabric softener, which we have started using. This one is apple blossom and almond scented. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, it smells lovely, very appley. And this one's only about £3, I think. Again, from the supermarket, but it smells good, and it's of the same brand as these, so that's what we use there. Yeah, we've started using these as well in the washing, Unstoppables. These are like little, I'll show you actually, I'll just pour some out so you can see. So they're little, tiny little pellets, and what you do is you put them underneath your washing, directly in the drum, in the washing machine. I'll put them back in now. Yes, didn't drop even one. So you put those in your washing machine drum underneath the clothes, and what it does, it just brings the scent of these out a little bit more, and they really do work. We had a little trial come with our new washing machine that was fitted, and we liked them so much that we bought some. I only use these on the towels and on the bedding, because if you use them on the clothing as well, it gets quite expensive. I think these were only about, they were about £5 from Tesco. But yeah, we use them on the bedding and the towels just for a bit of a treat, really. So if you're looking for that extra nice smell on your stuff, Unstoppables. Now for the boring bit, because obviously this is very exciting right here. For the boring bit, we've got this window cleaner method glass. I think this one was from Tesco, about £2 for this. Again, is it an eco one, this one? You hold the power to join us in the good fight, the power to make our planet and homes a cleaner place. I mean, it says planet on it, so perhaps this is an eco one, but this is just the one that we have for the windows anyway. Pretty standard window cleaner that we get from the supermarket. For the surface cleaner that we use, we did use the Tesco's own one, but it's sort of, you know when you do a spray of it, like this one is very kind of like a mist that comes out, but we use the Tesco's brand own one just because it was, you know, in my mind, Antibac is Antibac. So we used their one for a bit, but it was kind of coming out like foamy, and I prefer one where it's like a cleaner spray. And this one, the Dettol one, is antibacterial surface cleaner, and it is lime and mint flavored. No, scented. That's the phrase. It's not flavored. You definitely don't eat it, despite Donald Trump's advice. This one kills cold and flu virus. I wonder if it says it there in the corner, look, I don't know if you can see. It says kills cold and flu virus in the corner. I wonder if that was on the packaging before COVID. But it's on there now, and like I say, we use this one pretty much for cleaning any of the surfaces in the kitchen, in the lounge, in the bedroom, anything, just giving it a clean with a microfiber cloth, which I've got right here. And yeah, those are the products that I use generally. We also have I'll move some of this out of the way so you can see me. We also use like a homemade spray as well that has baking soda, white vinegar, and I think like dish soap, this stuff in it. That was a recipe that we found online, and Jo uses that quite a lot when she does the bathroom. So that's one that we use as well. But as for the products that we've bought, it's just these ones right here. And there we go, I'm done. I got my bourbon biscuit, I got my cup of tea, the washing is on, and the cleaning is done. Can't believe I just did a cleaning video on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know down below that you enjoyed it, because I want to make content that you enjoy. But thank you for watching. Anyway, up to this point, it's been really good cleaning the flat because it needed doing. Do subscribe as well down below if you haven't done so already. That would be really appreciated. And I'll see you soon for another video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.